Hi, my name is Marvin M. Feliciano, Human Anatomy and Physiology teacher. Today I'm going to discuss the heart valves. But before that, I hope that you were able to watch the part 1, 2, 3, 4 hanggang sa makarating na kayo dito sa part 5 as I conclude my discussion on the structures and functions of the heart. So heart valves are considered as the gates of the heart. Heart valves are divided into two, known as the AV valve or atrioventricular valve and semilunar valves or SL valve. AV valve refers to tricuspid and bicuspid valves. This is the tricuspid valve and this is the mitral or bicuspid valve. You have to consider first the location. It is located at the right side kapag tricuspid, kapag mitral or bicuspid valve, it is located at the left side. The overall definition of AV valve, they are located between the atria and ventricle. So ito silang dalawa. Aside from identifying the tricuspid and bicuspid valve, we also have to consider the two important structures here, the papillary muscle, the muscle located in the left and right ventricle. At itong muscle na to ay connected with this white structure or known as the heartstrings. We call it as the chordae tendineae. So they also perform or play an important role in opening and closing the gate, which is the tricuspid and bicuspid valve or mitral valve. So that's the AV valve. Now let's talk about the semilunar valve. Semilunar valve is divided into two, pulmonary semilunar valve. So it can be called pulmonic valve, pulmonary valve, or pulmonary semilunar valve. So ito siya. And the aortic valve found on the left side, ito naman siya. The overall definition of semilunar valves, they guard the bases of the two large arteries. Ito yung pinaka-arteries niya. At kapag kay aortic valve naman, artery papunta sa largest artery known as the aorta, both ascending and descending aorta. And you also have to take note that these valves, the pulmonary valve and aortic valve, they don't have the chordae tendineae. So, ibig sabihin, ang papillary muscle, they just control the AV valves. Alright, so that's the overall structures and functions of each valve. So, let's try to have a closer look. So, when the mitral valve and tricuspid valve opens, nagkakaroon ng ventricular filling. So, nagkakaroon ng blood yung mismong ventricles natin. Kasi nga naka-open yung gate eh. So, you also have to consider that when this is open, the pulmonary valve and aortic valve must be closed. So, alternate yan. Kapag naka-open ang AV valve, naka-close dapat ang SL valve. So, ang nangyari kapag nag-close si mitral valve at tricuspid valve, pine-prevent nito yung backflow or pagbalik ng oxygenated papunta sa left atrium at pagbalik ng deoxygenated papunta sa right atrium. So, the main role of these valves is to prevent the backflow pabalik sa atrium. So therefore, kapag nakasarado na tong pinto na to or itong gates na to, mag-o-open naman yung pulmonary valve at mag-o-open naman yung aortic valve. So sa pulmonary valve, connected na to or diretso na to papuntang lungs at aortic valve, diretso na to papunta ng aorta, papunta ng systemic circulation. So they both perform a crucial function in controlling and preventing the blood flow pabalik. Please refer on this. I hope that it is clearly understood kung paano nagpe-perform at nagfa-function yung mga valves. Nag-open and close yan because they are considered to be as the gates of the heart. Thank you very much and I hope that you learned something today. God bless.